today we are gonna open my Barbie gigantic egg with
Gigantic egg
and
with
with
assorted candy.
Candy.
Can I see mo? Show it to them. This is from,
Daddy.
yeah, Daddy came from, a flight ni Daddy is from Australia. So, si Daddy nag-buy nito for Diona. So, it's gluten-free and it includes novelty toys and stickers. Oh, ano pa ba? It has gummies. Ano pa ba, anak?
Mainly jelly beans.
It's gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Egg includes, what's that?
Includes
What's that?
the
Novelty toys.
toys, stickers and
Okay.
stickers.
See, and look at your background. It's all Barbie. Your Barbie. Oh, put it. Yeah. See? Okay. So, open it now. You know how?
Yeah, there's a line here, and
Mm-hmm.
also there's already from this shot. It's already a
Oh, yeah. You tell them pala you came from yesterday. Oh, yesterday ba? No, it was Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday was yesterday. So,
Saturday we did
a flu shot.
flu shot.
You want my help? And then, nag-iyak po siya.
Yeah, because I was not yet ready.
She was not yet ready.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
and
didn't
then,
wanted to do this.
kami, every year kami nagpapa-flu shot. Pero this year lang, nag-iba yung brand na
Mine
ginamit.
is already a
It's like under Abbott.
Mine is already a
Kagabi, ako talaga yung natamaan. Kasi parang feeling ko kasi magkakasakit ako, tapos nag-flu shot ako.
mine
So, mas
is
lumala.
already a bukol.
Yeah, so look at that. It's an egg. Show.
Look at mine.
No, the egg. Wow, it's a purple. Look at it. It's the same color. Because purple is
Bad.
your...
Favorite color and it's Anna.
It's Anna. Oh, you don't know how. Oops. What's inside? Oh, wow, there's a lot of jelly beans and gummies.
What's this? Toys?
What's that?
Toys, I think. Yeah.
What are the toys?
You think what it is?
What is that? What's that? Oh, ito lang. Oh my
And there's
God.
a lot of jelly
So these are the toys. Oh, there's a pin pa.
Gosh.
Come here.
No, it's not a pen.
It's a pin. You have to clip it here. Like that. So, hindi siya pin. It's a clip. Parang ganun.
I can make this a hat.
Yeah. So
Mommy, look.
this.
Mommy. It's pretty good.
So these are the one. Ano ba to? 2, 3,
It's
4. Is this
it's
a whistle?
candy cones.
Oh, it's a whistle. 4,
Let's open it.
5, 6. I don't know what these are, pero
Which one? This one?
mhm.
This is the top.
A top. Okay.
This is,
What is that?
I think, also a whistle.
A whistle? No. Yan yung panglagay ata sa pencil.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is.
And then this is the sticker. Magkano kaya to? Nabudol tayo dito. Nabudol si Daddy dito Ito lang yung sticker.
Help me open the whistle.
I'll open it. You can open it here. Oh, it's just, ayan you see it like that.
I cannot see it kasi.
You can open it like that. Okay. See, it's a whistle. Ito lang. Just me, and then how many,
Then
Is this
what's
a gummy?
This then? This is what?
Jelly beans. I don't like jelly beans.
Yeah.
Jelly beans, 4 jelly beans, and 5 gummies.
Huh? Phone?
Yeah, why is it 4 jelly beans lang? Dapat 5. Oh my gosh.
What's this
It's
then?
like this. What is that? Can I see? Can I see? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like this lang. Like that. So, Diyos ko, yun lang ang kasayahan niya. Tuwa na siya. Sige.
Mommy, let's go to the floor and do the top.
Okay. Ito lang siya. Ito lang yung laman nito. Nagbudol lang si Daddy. Nagpabudol lang siya para sa princess niya. Yan lang. Let's
Mommy,
go to the
let's
floor
go
daw.
to the floor to
Ano
do
ito?
the top.
Okay, floor daw, floor. Okay. I'll open it. Ano ba yan?
Okay.
A bear. Yung top.
So let's try. Make sure it doesn't go under the bed. Because if we go... Wow, it's...
See? You're happy with that already? Are you happy?
Yes.
O, sige ma.
Mommy, wait. Let's
Maiksi lang naman
get
kaligayahan niya.
all the
That's
toys
the important
that are
thing.
open.
Asan na siya? Ano ba?
Okay. When it's spinning too hard, I blow the whistle. If it's spinning too slow, I'm gonna do like this.
Okay. So, ayun nga. Balik tayo dun sa flu. Nag-flu shot kami kahapon. Tapos, ayun.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday with the flu shot. And ako ang natamaan talaga ng grabe. As in, bagsak ako, nag-chills ako.
Mommy, we are the only one who got hot. I'm the one here, you're the one that got sick.
Yeah,
You're
siya
the one who
umiiyak
got
siya.
I'm the one that got a bukol.
No, it's not a bukol. That's normal sa shot, anak. Tapos yun, talagang first time ko yun. Sa dinami-naming years, how many years na kami nagpapa-flu vaccine. Yun talaga yun. Siguro dahil na timing lang na malakas din siguro yung gamot. Plus, para kasi akong, alam kong magkakasakit ako, kaya lang nakalimutan ko sabihin na para akong magkakasakit. Tapos nagpa-flu shot ako. Ayun, na lumabas talaga yung sakit. Like, I was nginig-nginig to the bones. Para ako magpa-panic attack kasi nga nanginginig ako na hindi ko mapigilan. Tapos nasa condo kami nun.
Wait, Mommy.
Yeah.
Wait, Mommy. I'm just gonna call you.
Okay, oh, open mo kuya. Help mo kuya.
Okay. Wait.
Ayan. Yan yung laman ng candy kuya. Hi kuya, say hi.
Hello.
Ang tagal na nila hindi ka nakita.
Bo. Bo.
Yan.
My turn.
Ayan, maglalaro na sila. Ang tagal yun, no? So, anong na-feel mo ng vaccine, kuya? Wala lang sa'yo?
Nothing.
Nothing lang?
Yeah.
Samantalang ako, no? Grabe, no? Buti na lang, nag-Tylenol ako. Tapos, kanina din nag-Tylenol ako. Tapos, wala na. Tapos, okay, sad news din. Wala na yung dog namin. Si Coco.
Yeah,
The last dog. Kasi, hindi na talaga namin siya naalagaan kasi sa sobrang busy. Tapos, ewan ko ba, pinapakain naman siya ng maayos. Pero, kumakain siya ng bato. Nagkakaykay siya. As in, parang siya nagngangat-ngat ng ice. Pag tayo nagngangat-ngat ng ice, talagang ganun. Nagka-crunchy. Pati sabi ko, pumapatay siya ng daga, pumapatay siya ng palaka. Ay, nako talaga. Pinapagalitan namin kasi pinapakain namin marami. May dog food, may atay, may kanin. Oh. Tapos,
Bo. Bo, look. Bo.
diba bro? So, ngayon, nag-aantay na lang kami ng Pet Valley na para siyang pet cremation. Ay, parang ganun.
Make it
Services sila
look.
na pwedeng mass burial or
Bo.
cremation or private burial, ganun. Oh, ayan na, iba na yung pinaglalaroan nila. So, ayun, story time lang yun about sa vaccine kahapon. Tapos, pag uwi namin dito, matagal talaga siyang may sakit naman din talaga. Matagal na siyang may sakit and then hindi na siya kumakain like 1 week. Hindi ba? Mga 1 week na hindi kumakain pero umiinom ng tubig. Tapos, wala, bigla na talaga siyang pumayat talaga. Tapos yung ano niya, pina-check na namin yan dati. Yun nga. Parang, basta. Oh, what's it? What's that? A jelly bean?
I didn't like the yellow.
The jelly bean? You don't like the jelly bean?
The orange one is orange flavor. No thanks. Okay, wait. Wait lang.
Ay, naku. Ay! God bless. Ayun, masakit na talaga siya. Ayun. So, hindi mo na kami mag-aaso para kasi may rabbits pa kami. So, hindi mo na kami mag-aaso for
I
now.
need to catch it.
Kasi kawawa din, hindi namin maaalagaan.
Bo, look at this.
Ayan sila, pag nag-ano.
Bo, look.
What's that, kuya?
I don't know.
I think that's for the pencil.
Yeah, it's for the pencil. Bo, look. See it spinning? It's a bit too small for the
I think that's for the pencil. What did you eat by the jelly bean? Is it yummy? Is it sour? I don't know. There's just 4 jelly
Oh,
bean.
here.
Is it, ano ba to? Soft?
It's hard for chewy.
Yuck.
Bye, guys. We love you. Love you?
We're gonna eat.
We can eat now. Wait a minute.
But I think this is not worth.
I think this is for tennis. For the body.
No.
Huh?
For me, it's not worth it to buy this. Kasi ang konti lang ng laman.
It's just food. Try.
I know.
Bo, try to get this. But
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.